Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's trade I'm going to be teaching you how to make 10 USD every single second, and it's very easy, simple and guaranteed. You just have to follow every step all the way. I've typed this all out in a new text document for you, and I'll also be posting it beneath this video on my YouTube channel, so you just follow every step highlighted there. So I'll be reading it out so you see it for yourself. I'll be reading it out, and here is it. For a newbie, you need to register a broker account on Binary.com, and once you register, you'll be awarded a visual fund of $10,000 at sign up for demo trade. Wow, $10,000. As you can see over here, it was 10,000, but now it's 12,000. And at sign up you'll be given this is a visual fund for you to text every strategy, or just try to do some work with it. And before you go to your real account, it's advisable, so it's always advisable that you text any new strategy on your virtual account before going live on your real account, so you don't get your funds blown away from your real account. A lot of traders make this mistake. They don't even text on the visual account. The visual account is almost same with the real account, so probability of once you get it right on the visual account, the probability of getting it high on the real account is 98-99%. So for any experiment you want to do, it's always advisable to try first with a demo virtual account. Now back to the topic of today: how to earn up to 10 USD every single seconds of trading in Binary.com. There was a video posted some time ago about this particular strategy I'm about to show you right now, but currently now it's worn out. It's not actually working, but now I'm going to give you this guaranteed one. It's like I said here, it's not currently working. The offset aren't functional, but with this new strategy and barriers, you're guaranteed of making 10 USD every second of trading. Ensure you follow every single step shown in this video to achieve the best results. Look at my settings and don't skip a step. Now for this particular trading, we're going to be using the web trader. Ensure you use the web trader because it's kind of fixable, and like you can see, this is a web trader platform. It's feasible, it's clear and all that. So now we'll be opening two indexes. We're opening volatility 10 index and volatility 25 index at the same time. On this strategy you don't need a chart, so let's go on to open volatility 10 index and volatility 25 index, and then we'll go back to our text document to follow up the instructions. This is volatility 10 index, and ensure you run on a good internet connection. Your connection should be very strong, because you don't want to miss out when it's already counting, and then you're back. You're supposed to be on a good internet connection, good internet speed. Okay, now we have opened this. We're gonna go back to the next step. Is like I said, on this strategy you don't need a chart. For volatility 10 index, click on higher. Volatility 10 index, click on higher, and barrier offset minus 0.707. okay, higher from barrier offset minus 0.707, and gonna go back to the instructions. Now click on ensure the payout is less than or probably 5% of your current account balance, because most traders make this mistake. They don't apply money management in the trade, and this is not good, because at first I was there earlier on some time ago, but after learning a lot of things, then I know that money management is the key. So ensure you don't trade with more than 5% of your account funds. Don't be too greedy, and have a set target. If you're trading for for $2 a day or whatsoever, $10 or $50, depending on what you're doing. You should have a target. You should know that once you get there, you exiting that trade, and you should have a target of loss as well. Once you have a maximum of 2 losses, it's always advisable to quit for that particular moment, and then maybe you can try later. So on this particular trade, we'll be doing 10 trades on this. So but we're setting the volatility 10 index already. Our barrier offset is minus 0.707. Now I'm trading with 10 USD, but you can actually change yours to 5 or whatever you want to do. Payout USD 10 USD. So now let's go to volatility 25 index. For volatility 25 index, you set your barrier offset. First of all, you're going to click lower, and then you set your barrier offset to plus 4. Plus 409. No, plus 490. Yeah, plus 490. According to this is plus 490, and then ensure your payout is 10, or depending on you, you know the amount of funds you have on your account. So like I said, we're going to be making 10 trades. So let's go on this, and ensure you click on the purchase at the same time. So that's what we'll be doing. So now let's trade. As you can see, for this first trade, we won it. We won the first trade. And there was something I didn't mention. Ensure your duration is 5. It was 5. That was why I didn't even take note of it. Ensure your duration is 5 ticks. Okay, 5 ticks. So we won the first trade. Like I said, we'll be trading 10 times, probably. I don't know, but 10 times. Okay. Trading again. As you can see, we won the second trade. So this is a win-win strategy. It's a win-win strategy, but you just have to have a target. Don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy. You need to apply money management in this. So we're trading for the 3rd time. So you see, we won the 3rd trade. So I'm gonna be going to the next one, and 2 trades already. We're going to what am I typing? We're going to okay, so purchasing. So you see, we won the 4th trade, and so the funds is increasing. If you take note from the funds we started with and the funds we are now, it's kind of increasing. It's not where we started before. I didn't take note of it, but if you can rewind back and forward back, you will see that the fund actually increased. So this is the 4th. So 4th trade already. I'm going to the fifth one. I think probably we will stop at the fifth, because this is specifically for learning purpose. So you should have a target. Instead, you should have a target. So you see, we run 5 trades consecutively. We are on win track. So this is a guaranteed step for you. And I would like a comment to show you like my shyness. And if you don't understand any step within this, you can always comment on it, and I'm just gonna come back to you and give you a reply regarding that. Thank you for watching, and remain blessed. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe for new strategies. I'll be posting more and more strategies. Follow my shyness and comment. Thank you very much.